Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Acornbox. Acornbox is a decentralized crypto wallet that allows users to securely store, send and manage their digital assets. And if you're switching between devices, sharing your phone temporarily or just want to secure your wallet, then it is important to know how to log out of the Acornbox app safely. And in this quick guide I'll show you the correct and secure way to log out of the Acornbox. An important reminder is Acornbox is not non-custodial wallet, which means your funds are controlled by a recovery phrase. Logging out removes wallet access from the device only, and losing a recovery phrase means permanent loss of the fund. And make sure your recovery phrase is backed up. So first you need to open to the Acornbox, and when you reach into this Acornbox interface, in the top right corner we can see there's a small icon for your profile. Select there, and once you reach into the profile interface, tap on the setting. Here what you can see is on the bottom you can see there's an option for the delete wallet, and after that select the delete and confirm it. And that is it. This is how I can log out of the Acornbox. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.